Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look right here using two of the Too Faced holiday sets. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Salted Caramel Eyeshadow Palette and the Too Faced Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses liquid lipstick set. It's a really long name. And I'm going to be using the color Caramel Apple right here and doing a look with these gorgeous colors. I love these products both a lot. I think they did a really good job on these. I also added some Christmas decor back here. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave. Let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start out usual with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. And of course I'm going to be using the Too Faced Salted Caramel Palette. So the shade names are on the back. I'm going to go in with this cream color. This is called Ooey Gooey. And I'm going to use the Real Techniques shading brush. Just use that to set down my brow bone. And then I'm going to use this Morphe M433 brush. And I'm going to use the color Soft and Chewy, this like caramel brown color, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. This is the first one of these kind of Too Faced holiday palettes that I've ever gotten. So this is a first for me. And they're really nice shadows. They blend super easy. I love the smell of this palette. They really got everything perfect. I'm going to use this Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, just a little bit smaller. And I'm going to use the color Caramel Apple, this one right here. And I'm going to apply that in the outer portion of my eye and in the crease. Just a little bit tighter, not as blown out as the caramel brown color. And this is like a gorgeous burnt, like toasted red color. I'm going to go back in with some of the caramel brown shade and blend that color out a bit. At the edges. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. And I'm going to take the color Make Me Melt, which is this like super cool toned like purpley brown color. It's super gorgeous. It pulls the whole look together. I'm going to put this in my outer corner to deepen it up and just kind of blend it towards the crease just with a little bit of product. And then for my lid, I'm going to use this gorgeous bronze gold color right here. This one is called Golden Sugar. And then I'm going to take that color on the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray, not because I need to, just to kind of help give it a little bit of extra, an extra pop to the shadow, but don't need to do this. I'm just doing it to be extra, I guess. And then I'm going to just apply that to my lid. And then I'm just going to take a little bit with my finger as well, and also pat some more on top. Just really trying to get this color really pigmented, and it's really pigmented already, so I'm just trying to add a lot of it to make it really intense. Okay, so I went and did my face makeup, and I did my brows, and I put some gold highlighter in my inner corners. So now I'm going to do my lower lash line eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this Morphe JH43 brush, and I think I'm going to use this dark cool toned brown right here. The color Make Me Melt, and I'm going to use it underneath here on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with a small crease brush with nothing on it and just blend out my lower lash line. And then I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Okay, so I just applied the Kiss Look So Natural lashes in the style. This one is in Shy, and I used my Kiss strip lash adhesive. And now I'm going to move on to my lips. So I got the Christmas, this is the Too Faced Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses liquid lipstick set, and I'm going to use the shade Caramel Apple for this look because I really like this lip shade and the scent. Really love every single one of these lip shades, and for this look I just really think that the Caramel Apple is the best one to match this. I'm just going to use the palette I used for my face. Okay, so this is the completed makeup look using some of the Too Faced holiday sets, the Salted Caramel eyeshadow palette, Salted Caramel eyeshadow palette, and the shade Caramel Apple from the Christmas lipstick set. So if you guys want me to do more looks using upside down using these products, just comment down below and let me know, and I will do a couple more looks with these. I have a couple more looks that I think would be really nice to show you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.